Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about blue tansy or Phacelia tanacetifolia, and this is usually a cover crop in Hungary, but it's also very useful for pollinators like bees, bumblebees, wild bees, and syrphid flies. This plant is member of the Boraginaceae family, and you can see that the flowers are in a one-sided cyme, and they flower for quite a long time. This plant is native to the United States, the southern United States, and oh, there's a beneficial insect. So it flowers for a very long time, and it produces a lot of nectar, and in Hungary we call it honey blasting weed, because it makes a lot of good nectar. The nectar is very concentrated in sugars. It has about 28% sugars in the nectar, which is very much favored by bees and other pollinators. And this plant, you can see, has a lot of flower heads, inflorescences, and they flower for quite a long time. So a field can flower for up to 6 weeks. Usually it's a cover crop and a green manure crop, and I very much like it. And unfortunately you cannot smell it, but this whole field smells like honey. So it has a very nice sweet fragrance, and there are already a couple of bees here. I'm taking this video after a rain, so there's not much buzzing around, but when the sun shines, bees just flock to this field for nectar. And it also provides pollen for the young bee larvae, so it's good. It's beneficial. Usually when the plant finishes flowering, it gets tilled in the soil, but occasionally they use the seeds for animal fodder, or for special needs of for sometimes maybe humans. I don't know exactly, but interesting. And it's a lovely plant. It grows very quickly and flowers for a very long time. If a grower wants to plant winter wheat, they can use it as a secondary crop, and this, because this is a dicot, it can put into a crop rotation, because after they harvested the wheat, they can sow it as a second crop, and then just till it before they sow the wheat again. So that would be it. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like my content, please subscribe, and you can set the notifications with the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Goodbye.